Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out.
What's up you guys, it's Bharshan back with another video, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Honor 7A. So this comes in a blue box, and at the back there are a little bit of specifications mentioned and the manufacture date and the MRPA, everything. And it's a sealed box, so you need to check that whenever you get anything from online or any place. So as we open up the box itself, at the topmost we find the black Honor 7A itself. We'll keep the device aside and take a look at the other accessories included in the box itself. So overall this thing has a 5.7 inches display, and it is the black in color version with the 18:9 display. And inside the box you will get a charger and separate wire for it, not a connected one, and you get even a SIM ejector and quick start guide itself. And the charger there is a 5V 2 amps charger, not a fast charger or anything. It uses a normal micro USB wire to charge the device itself, not Type-C or anything modern. And overall the build quality of the phone is really good. The size is really small. I felt after using Redmi Note 5 and other devices, it's small, I felt, but it's really thin in the hand. It has a 3000 mAh battery, and the specification is 5.7 inches display with 1440 x 720p and Android 8.0 out of the box, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 and Adreno 505, and a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel f2.2 shooter. So overall the review itself will come out soon. This is for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So then bye bye now.